Hello everyone. A few years ago, a startup was struggling to find the right candidates. Their job postings were basic and unappealing, leading to a flood of unqualified applicants and a lengthy, frustrating hiring process. It wasn't until they revamped their job circulars, making them more detailed and aligned with their company culture, that they started attracting the talent they needed. This transformation underscores the huge impact that well-crafted job circulars can have. By the end of this lecture, you should be able to understand the benefits of effective job circulars for both employers and job seekers, recognize the impact of job circulars on the hiring process and company reputation, learn key strategies for creating compelling job circulars. Effective job circulars help employers attract the right candidates through clearly outlining job responsibilities and company values. Employers can ensure that only suitable candidates apply. This reduces the time and resources spent on screening and interviewing unqualified applicants. Moreover, detailed job circulars help set clear expectations, leading to better job performance and higher employee satisfaction. A company looking for a senior software engineer received over 200 applicants for a poorly written job circular. After revising it to include specific job requirements and a compelling job summary, the number of applicants decreased, but the quality improved significantly. They ended up hiring a highly qualified candidate who became a key member of their team. For job seekers, effective job circulars provide a clear understanding of what the job entails and whether they're a good fit. This transparency helps candidates make informed decisions about where to apply, saving them time and effort. Additionally, a well-written job circular can convey the company culture and values, helping job seekers find organizations that align with their personal and professional goals. A marketing professional named Rebecca was job hunting and came across two job circulars for similar roles. One was generic and vague, while the other was detailed and specific about the job responsibilities and company culture. Rebecca applied to the latter and found a job that matched her skills and career aspirations, leading to a fulfilling and successful career move. Effective job circulars streamline the hiring process. When job requirements and expectations are clearly communicated, the screening process becomes more efficient. Recruiters can quickly identify candidates who meet the criteria, speeding up the time to hire and reducing recruitment costs. Think of an effective job circular as a filter. It sifts through the vast pool of potential candidates, allowing only the most qualified and suitable ones to pass through. A well-crafted job circular reflects positively on the company. It shows that the organization values professionalism and attention to detail. This can enhance the company's reputation in the job market, making it more attractive to top talent. On the other hand, poorly written job circulars can create a negative impression, deterring high-quality candidates from applying. A leading finance firm noticed a drop in applications from top-tier candidates. Upon reviewing their job circulars, they realized the language used was overly complex and uninviting. After simplifying and humanizing the language, they saw an increase in applications from highly qualified professionals. Use clear and concise language, avoid jargons, and ensure that job responsibilities and qualifications are easy to understand. Create job titles that are specific and reflective of the role. Avoid generic titles that do not convey the nature of the job. Provide a comprehensive overview of the job, including key responsibilities, necessary qualifications, and any unique aspects of the role. Include information about the company's values, mission, and culture. This helps attract candidates who resonate with the organization's ethos. Outline the application process clearly, including what documents are needed and how to submit them. Specify any deadlines to ensure timely applications. An e-commerce company revamped their job circulars to include engaging job titles, detailed descriptions, and a section on company culture. As a result, they attracted candidates who were not only qualified but also aligned with their values, leading to better team cohesion. Now, here is an assignment for you. Review the job circulars of 2 companies you admire. Analyze what makes them effective and how they could be improved. For further reading, I recommend The Elements of a Great Job Description by LinkedIn Talent Solutions. Make sure to apply these strategies to create job circulars that stand out and resonate with potential candidates. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to our next lecture. Have a great day.